how you doing? Welcome back to my subscribers, and if you're new here, hello. Today I thought we'd take a look at the spring planting that we did a couple weeks ago and see what the progress is on that. They have done really well, and I think you're going to be surprised. I didn't get a video out to you last week because I took a fall. I was making my bed, I fell, hit my face on an end table, busted open my lip, went to the hospital looking like Rocky Balboa, and had to have some stitches in there. And let me tell you, the Novocaine that they use, it hurt worse than the wound. I asked the doctor if he could, give me some Kim Kardashian lips while he was at it, but as you can tell, he didn't do it. So I had stitches for, over a week, so I didn't want to get on camera with my face all stitched up. So here I am. I'm going to take you out and show you those plants that we planted 2 weeks ago, and I think you're going to be very surprised on the progress that they've made. So let's get out there. So here's the cucumbers, and they're doing fabulous. They're filling in very nicely. I will probably definitely cut some back, some of those stems off at the bottom, but I'm still waiting to see which ones are the strongest before I do any clipping. But pretty soon I'm going to have to put some strings up for them to climb through. It's amazing how well they've done so far. And some marigolds are doing very nicely. The potato that was volunteer was doing really well, and it got hit by a slug. And so I put some slug bait down there, so it looks like that's gonna stop him. And I had put this one in here, I took it back out, and then I put it back in. I didn't have anywhere for it. I don't know what I was thinking, but he's doing very well too. He got hit by a slug, and it was down to one leaf, and you can kind of see right there where it got him. But now looks like it's gonna come back well. Yeah, I had taken him out and put him in a planter. I was going to relocate it, and then realized I didn't have anywhere for it to climb. Not very good planning, I guess. But she's doing fine. The strawberries are looking well. They're filling out. This one, I experiment to see if it would come back. This one, my experiment to see if it would come back. Still hasn't really done anything. I'll still keep watering it to see what happens. And take a look at these radishes. That is just crazy growth. I'm loving it. Pretty soon it'll be time for me to plant some more. Do some succession planting so they're not all ripe at one time. And remember those marigolds that look kind of scraggly? They're coming back. They look beautiful. And the peppers, they're doing just really great too. They're getting ready to bud. Getting some flowers on there. So soon we'll be growing little peppers. Here's the tomatoes. They're doing very well. Getting kind of bushy. And let's take a look at, I don't know if you can see them very well or not. But they're still black. There's some green on there. So they're supposed to go from black to red to orange, I guess. I hope they get bigger because they're kind of small. I think they're doing great. Let's go take a look at the potatoes. Oh yes, look at. Look at how many there are. And the chicken has stayed out. No getting in there and scratching around. I think they're doing great. What do you think? I'm pretty happy with it. I'm thinking about getting some more vegetables. I'm not really sure what kind. I'll have to wait until I get to the garden center and see what else I would like to get. So let me know what you're growing. And I know it's a short video, but like I said, stuff happens, right? So you guys take care. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. You have a good day and do something nice for somebody.